hardly mentioned your guys. What are they feeling? What are you feeling?
No, they must be feeling absolutely gutted. So that there's absolutely no doubt. But basically, the thought that they had it in the palm of their hands, and it's not to be. Markham was superb. His captaincy was brilliant. A lot of their performances, they found a way. They found a way to get over the line, find a way into the final for the first time. But unfortunately, they got down to those last 4 or 5 overs. They couldn't find a way to stay calm and get their team over. Credit goes to Rohit Sharma. He's had his own share of disappointment as captain over the last few years, but he's now a World Cup captain and won the trophy
Miller.
in 20 format.
লাস্ট ব্যাটসম্যান আউট হয়েছে
So that's
লাস্ট ওভার ফার্স্ট বলার
try and get them back on track.
ই থাকিলে খেলা জিকি গেলে হয়
Seldom seen emotion like this at the end of a game of cricket. I promise you. Around a while, it's just quite revealing. We shall be back here in Barbados very shortly, folks.
এইটো বুমরার ওয়াইফ
Stand to stand on the dais, get their medals and get the trophy. And that will be in the hands of Ian Bishop very shortly.
তার বাচ্চাক লৈ আহিব কৈ আছে নেকি